How to completely delete Trello from your account. So to start, we'll just have to open browser and then search for Trello.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to go on the right part of the screen and then we'll have to tap on this profile picture icon. After that, a pop-up menu will appear here. What we need to do is to tap on this Manage Account option. After that, we'll be automatically redirected to this page. In here, we'll have to tap on this Account Preferences option. After that, we'll have to scroll down. And then in here, you will now see this option, Delete Your Account. Before deleting your account, make sure that you have read these instructions. Once you're done, simply tap on this Delete Account option. In here, you will be given another set of instructions. Keep in mind to read all these instructions. After that, you'll have to tap on this Delete Account option to completely delete Trello from your account. So that's how easy we can delete Trello from our account. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!